Sami Zayn was once known as the underdog from the underground. Yeah, then he started hanging out with Kevin Owens and became the coward from the underground.
Yep, bite your tongue, Saxton. Sami Zayn simply aligned himself with his best friend, and the two of them have achieved incredible things in WWE.
Yeah, like, let's see, getting fired.
Like starting the movement. By big-time matches at WrestleMania.
Yeah, ripping off somebody else. Really creative.
Cole gets it, Saxton. Why don't you?
He's being condescending.
From Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 217 pounds, the judge, Iron Van Site.
Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Michael Cole, Corey Graves, Byron Saxton, here to call what will surely be a highly contested matchup.
Man, this card is just packed with so many great matches, and this one is definitely among the most anticipated, I'd say.
What a stomp! Good grief! Look at this. Northern Lights! And he's heading back in.
The night's not even over yet, guys, and I'm already seeing fans on social media saying that this is the WWE pay-per-view of the year. And you know what? I think I agree.
Clothesline! Byron, while Corey's on his phone checking his social media feed, how about you and I finish calling the action here? This has been a heck of a match so far. Wouldn't you agree?
It really has, Michael. And like those on social media are apparently saying, this might just be the most exciting WWE pay-per-view of the calendar year.
And Sami Zayn reverses it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Sami Zayn in a potentially bad spot right here.
There's been a lot of great moments on pay-per-view over the years.
He's looking at it. Boom, what impact.
He's back in control here. Jeez, I don't like Sami Zayn's chances in this one.
He wants it one more time. Ooh, what impact.
Is it enough to put Sami Zayn away?
The situation just got real bad for Sami Zayn.
Near a count out here, Corey.
It would be a shame if this ends in a count out, Cole.
He might have it. Turning it around, it's Sami Zayn with the reversal. And there's his speed paying off. Clothesline! He's got the shoulders down. This one's not over yet.
Just barely, but it counts.
That'll mess up the back of your neck. Whoa, look ringside, guys.
Yeah, what's going on here?
And look at, oh, what a slam. He's going for the pin. And he got a near fall out of it.
The underdog from the underground stays in this match.
Oh, nasty impact.
He goes for the cover. No, they're not done yet, not even close.
Not yet, too early.
Slam.
Oh, Zayn dodged that one.
Lightning quick.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
Here he goes.
DDT.
Is it enough to put Sami Zayn away?
The cover. Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that.
Just when you thought it was over. Wow.
He has him right where he wants him.
He's teetering on the edge here.
Ring rattling. It's been a wild road to Summerslam, and it all culminates here tonight with the biggest event of the summer.
And then...
oh, and it's a reversal. He's not going to like this.
Across the shoulders. Down, Samoan driver.
Unreal performance.
Here's a few clips from the last match for us.
Overall, this match was average at best, but not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, the judge, Iron Van, the Masked Man.
Big win here to start the show.
if that's the type of action we're going to get all night long, I can't wait to see the rest of the card unfold.
Plenty more action still to come here tonight, folks.